Well, Maharashtra politics seems to be heating up as Ajit Pawar's wife and Rajya Sabha MP Sunetra Pawar will be stepping into his shoes today and will be taking oath as the first woman Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and the ceremony is expected to happen in Mumbai at around 5 p.m. But hours before her oath-taking, veteran politician and late Ajit Pawar's uncle Sharad Pawar has held an emergency briefing in Baramati and made series of claims. Pawar says that he had no idea about Sunetra Pawar's oath-taking and he was not even consulted or informed about it. Now, the NCP SP chief has also clarified that nobody from his family would be attending the swearing-in ceremony. This in itself seems to be a big development that is now coming as far as the Maharashtra political churn now seems to be taking place as far as with the untimely death of Ajit Pawar. Let's go across to Arunil, Rilesh and Rucha, who are joining us here on the broadcast. Well, good afternoon to all three of you. Arunil, this seems to be a big development of what we are getting to know as far as Sharad Pawar coming out to say that he was not informed, he was not even consulted. And how do we take it as far as his statement that now seems to be coming that nobody from the NCP SP faction would be present for the swearing-in ceremony today?
Well, Sharad Pawar also said, Amita, that until the Asti Visarjan of Ajit Pawar, Sunetra Pawar was with us, that is with the Pawar family. But we were not informed about this swearing-in ceremony. In a way, he took an indirect attack at the three leaders of the Ajit Pawar faction, basically saying that they are the ones who have taken all the decision, because these three leaders, Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare as well as Praful Patel went to the residence of CM Devendra Fadnavis yesterday. Extremely significant statement from Sharad Pawar. It clearly showcases that the rift within the NCP is again out in the open now. The lack of communication also evident within the Pawar family. The latest development right now is Parth Pawar, the elder son of Ajit Pawar, has rushed to the residence of Sharad Pawar. A crucial meeting is underway there as well. Again, what comes out of that meeting again will be very, very crucial to note over here. A video was also selectively leaked by the NCP Sharad Pawar camp of January 17 meeting, in which Sharad Pawar camp is claiming that in this meeting it was finalized that the merger of two factions of NCP is going to take place. However, the Ajit Pawar camp is saying that we don't know this meeting was about what. This video is true, but this meeting may be about the Zilla Parishad polls or the other polls that the two factions are contesting together as well. So basically charges or counter allegations are coming from both the sides now. Today at 5 p.m. Sunetra Pawar will become the first Deputy CM of Maharashtra, but on the other side, her family patriarch is saying that we from the Pawar family are not going to attend it. There were talks of a merger, and basically how the future of NCP transpires from here, that again will be a very significant thing to look out for. This kind of a statement coming in from almost all the leaders from NCP Sharad Pawar camp, saying that merger talks were underway. We are going to...
Nilesh is also connected with us, and we're going to talk about this development that seems to be taking place currently just before the oath-taking ceremony is also concerned, because this seems to be a key political development that seems to be taking place. In this breaking update, what we are learning that Parth Pawar has now reached the residence of Sharad Pawar, triggering intense speculation over internal realignments within the Pawar family and the NCP. Sources indicate that a one-on-one meeting has happened between Parth Pawar and Sharad Pawar, and with Sharad Pawar hosting crucial interaction at his home. And Nilesh, what are we learning? Because this debate seems to be coming at a time when the ongoing political churn seems to be happening within the NCP factions, because on one side, Sharad Pawar says that Sunetra Pawar being family and all of the rituals happened at the time when all of the family was together. But on the other side, him not being informed of the oath-taking ceremony of Sunetra Pawar, does it lead to, more as far as when it comes to differences or a rift? Or is it only, consolidating with a few leaders of the NCP Ajit Pawar faction that Sharad Pawar seems to be raising the issue? What is this meeting about Parth Pawar and Sharad Pawar taking place?
Well, as Amita, we are speaking of a man like Sharad Pawar. who happens to be known as one of the most complex individual. Whatever he says, he doesn't mean, and whatever he doesn't say, he means a lot. So, and hence we need to ascertain and understand all of these statements very deeply. Now, Parth Pawar, son of Ajit Pawar, has moved to Sharad Pawar residence to again initiate talks of the merger. Now, it is also important to understand that it was early morning today when Sharad Pawar came up with this defense that he wasn't kept in loop. And moments back, it was Anil Patil, the leader from NCP Ajit Pawar faction, who is behind these doors, and had stated on record that he and his party are independent. That is, NCP Ajit Pawar faction is different, and Sharad Pawar faction is different as of now. And which is why this decision is being taken individually. Choosing Sunetra Pawar as the leader was the priority of the party, because the Karyakartas, the party supporter, needs a guidance and they need to stick together, and which is why one name appeared and differences were sorted out onto names of Sunetra Pawar. So that was a priority, that is to select a leader. Later on, will she be taking the DCM oath or not? Will the portfolio will be allocated to Sunetra Pawar or not? That is a decision that will be taken in few days or maybe later. But the party needed a leader, and that leader will be speaking to other parties' leader. That is, NCP Sharad Pawar faction will be speaking to Sunetra Pawar, and hence the merger will be carried forward. When we also asked of was there any announcement, formal announcement to be made, Anil Patil stated that there was various issues that already are underway into discussions into both the faction, and one should not come to highlight that it was only a merger announcement which was to be made.
But it will lead to certain questions that if there's even a possibility that Sharad Pawar saying that he was, not informed, not even consulted, that Sunetra Pawar will be sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, because this development is going to take place as back-channel talks and backroom talks that have been taking place, hectic parleys that continue. And as we speak, let's talk about the meetings that are underway both in Mumbai and Baramati. Now, what we are learning this afternoon around 2 p.m., the NCP will be holding a meeting of its MLAs and the MLCs at the Vidhan Sabha to deliberate on the party's future following the shocking demise of Ajit Pawar in the fatal air crash. Now, Sunetra Pawar, who is a Rajya Sabha MP, arrived in Mumbai last night and then proceeded to Devgiri Bungalow, where the official government residence that had been allotted to Ajit Pawar. A lot, however, has unfolded in the last 12 hours alone. For now, a meeting that is also taking place at the NCP office with senior leaders like Chhagan Bhujbal in attendance. Now, the focus is also on Praful Patel and Sunil Tatkare, where after Sharad Pawar hinted that they have decided on the party's future course and Sunetra Pawar's decision to take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister. Let's go across to Rucha on this development there. Rucha, all of this that seems to be happening with a lot of developments and movement that seems to be taking both in Mumbai and also in Baramati. But when we speak of the Ajit Pawar faction, what is now being taken up as far as when it comes to her being appointed as the party leader, and thereafter in the evening she will be taking oath?
Well, if we talk about the Ajit Pawar's party, since yesterday we have been seeing how several meetings were conducted where Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare and Praful Patel have come to a conclusion, and after speaking with most of the MLAs of the parties, after approval of 90% of the MLAs on finalization of Sunetra Pawar's name as the new leader of NCP, the decision is very soon likely to be taken at around 2 p.m. We are expecting all MLAs and MPs of NCP Ajit Pawar faction to gather at Vidhan Bhavan, and where the voting will take place. The leaders have already finalized the name of Sunetra Pawar as their new chief of NCP, and official proceedings will take place as per the rules, as per the constitution of the party. The voting will take place where Sunetra Pawar will be appointed as the new group leader. But it is also important to note that several meetings are still underway. Currently, we are at Devgiri, the residence, the official government residence of Ajit Pawar, where now Sunetra Pawar since yesterday is. Along with the leaders, senior leaders of NCP, Sunil Tatkare and Praful Patel, have also arrived here, and they are having discussion before the MLAs or MPs meeting could begin. First, these meetings are also taking place. Chhagan Bhujbal has also called a meeting at the NCP office, and we are seeing several meetings taking place to come to a conclusion where what will be taken the final decision in the meeting that is likely to happen.
So a lot has happened, in the last 12 hours, and after, when it comes to all of the ceremony and the rituals that have been done after the demise of Ajit Pawar, all of this, as far as when it comes to the portfolios are also concerned, that was held first by the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, who's passed away in that unfortunate plane crash. However, that seems to be also a talking point where the NCP continues to stake claim for all of the portfolios. But our reporters there on the ground, as they continue to be with us, we also talk about Sunetra Pawar, now set to fill in the vacuum of her after her husband's death. As Sunetra Pawar, she also being a Rajya Sabha MP, all set to become the first woman Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister. A party meeting that has been called where she would be named as the leader, and sources say that 90% of the NCP MLA support Sunetra Pawar as their group leader. Even Maharashtra Minister and leader Chhagan Bhujbal has asserted that Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis indicated that he has no objection to Sunetra Pawar being sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister.
राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचे जे नेते प्रफुल्लभाई असतील, तटकरे असतील, मी त्याच्यामध्ये होतो. आपला मुंडे धनंजय वगैरे टेंटेटिव्हली असं ठरलं होतं की उद्या मीटिंग घेऊन CLPची सुनेत्रा ताईंचे जे आहे नाव आपण CLP लीडर म्हणून फायनल करायचं. नेत्यांची इच्छा मला नेत्याने काही सांगितलेली नाही. त्यामुळे आज आमच्या समोर प्रश्न काय आहे की CLP लीडर म्हणजे विधानमंडळातील आमच्या पक्षाचा प्रमुख, त्याची नेमणूक करणे म्हणजे उपमुख्यमंत्री पदाची नेमणूक करणे.
कोई भी निर्णय जो होगा ये निर्णय राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी लेगी. राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी जो निर्णय लेगी हम उसके साथ खड़े रहेंगे, चाहे वो अजीत पवार जी का परिवार हो या राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी हो. इनके साथ पूरी ताकत के साथ सरकार के रूप में और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के रूप में हम खड़े.
All right. So earlier being said, as far as when it comes to the position and the post of the Deputy Maharashtra Chief Minister is concerned, it is still too premature to decide. However, these developments have taken place at a fast pace right after the demise and the final rites and rituals that have now been completed over Ajit Pawar's death. But the party and as far as when it comes to the leadership is concerned, have been quick to consolidate their position, and with the entry now of Sunetra Pawar, who seems to be playing a bigger role as far as behind the scenes is concerned, now seems to be stepping in as far as a bigger role and the elevation that has now been seen in her position, where now she will be taking oath as the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, the first woman Deputy Chief Minister that Maharashtra will witness. And it is said that in a small ceremony that would be taking place today evening. However, she will also be now announced as the NCP party